Hi everyone, thanks for coming. It's Jeff again. This video is just a quick follow-up on the PowerTech power adapter. We've got a fuse that was blown, along with another issue that we had, but we're just going to replace this fuse now that it's here, so we'll get straight into it. Already have the old fuse removed that we had in there temporarily for testing, and we'll just this is a 3.15 amp fuse, which is what the original one was. We did some testing with a 1 amp fuse just to make sure that it was going to work, and now we'll put the correct one in, and then I'll quickly hook up a load just to show it all working. So just get this bent properly. We'll add a little bit of flux, just makes the solder flow a little bit better. Could have been a bit more prepared with stuff, but there you go. Right, so we'll just pop the multimeter up there, turn that on to continuity mode so it beeps, and just make sure that our fuse is working fine. Alright, trim those legs off. Quick clean up with a bit of isopropyl alcohol. Nice. So that's it. Back in place, not touching anywhere, and we'll set it back in the case, and then we'll do a quick test with a load on it. Right. Righto, there we go. So we got it all screwed back together, and I'll grab a load that we can hook on, and we'll test to see that it's outputting properly. Thank you. Okay, well, I'm back. Quite a bit of a setup here. So we've got our power inverter that puts out the 12 volts into a cigarette plug. We then have our cigarette plug, which is going to a, see if I can show you here roughly. This is a little 12 volt car fridge. Got the display that will light up once it's got power, and that has the power going out to the fridge. I've separated the wires so I can put my DC amp meter on here, and that will show us the amp draw if we can get it to light up good enough. Be right. So at the moment we got 0. Once I plug it in, you should be able to see up the top there. You'll see the gauges come on the fridge, and then eventually when the fridge turns on, you'll see this go up to between 2 and 3 amps of DC draw, if all goes well. So here we go. Power on. We have our lights. We have our display up here. Can't really see it, but you can see it's lit up. And now we can also see that we have 2.5 amps of draw from it. So that fridge is now running off of the 240 volt power adapter, and looks like we've had a fix. So thanks very much for watching. Hopefully it's helped you out a little bit, and sorry that these waffle on for so long. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you.